Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa Pullman. Sobrang ganda, sobrang social. Guys, Bunny, okay, first Bunny of the day here in Hanoi. Ano na ganito kalaki survey? Wait lang. Hanoi, and we are here at Pullman Hotel. The restaurant is located at the first level.
Latte.
Okay, yes.
Thank you.
Ang galing ng breakfast ah. Wala bang tapsilog?
Wala sila.
So, nandito na kami sa Hanoi. It's already 7 p.m. and papunta na kami ng Pullman Hotel.
Diyan ka dumaan.
Yan, sige.
Ano nangyari sa tuhod?
Wala yan. You can jump. Meron sa taas eh, oh. Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa Pullman. Sobrang ganda, sobrang social. Ito yung apple na ginamit kay Snow White, kaya kulay black na. At ito yung apple na hindi pa niya kinakagat. So elegant looking. And of course, guys, we got upgraded sa room. Thank you for that. So, let's go up na sa ating saan na ba yung elevator niya? Alam ko na saan. Okay, hanapin natin yung elevator. But basically, this is the entire
Anong floor tayo?
meron sila mga leather bags. Ito, 9th floor. So here's the elevator. Yep. Thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Good night.
Good night. So, ayun na mga guys. We got upgraded. Check natin. Nakakaaliw naman. So, that's the benefit of Executive Lounge, 10th floor fit and spa pool. Bukas natin sila. May pickleball court pa. Restaurant. Lobby. Okay. Pasok tayo sa room. So, meron din isang apple ni Snow White dito. Our room is 908. So, let's check. Sana maganda yung view. So, here's our room, 908. So, here's our room. Like, okay. And wow, may sofa. Asan yung ilaw? Manual ilaw sila, no? So you can request for pillow type. Nano silver, latex, foam. Hindi ako pwede nun Bean sprouts, natural cotton, feather pillow. Pullman pillow menu. We booked this actually sa aming membership sa Accor for just 4,000, no? Red hot siya. So we are redeeming our free drinks for today and for tomorrow. Tapos kakain din yun. Tomorrow tayo mag-start mag-explore kasi gabi na. At wala na akong boses.
Kaya na naman ikaw sa tuto.
Spring rolls lang.
Oo, nakatuldo naman ng French fries.
Ay, fresh pala to. Wait lang.
you.
So here's our food. Salad, fries, banh mi. Okay, first banh mi of the day here in Hanoi, and pasta.
Akala ko
Oh,
konti
spring
yun sa'yo.
spring rolls. Ayun na pala yung spring rolls.
Ang konti. Ha? Sabi mo konti.
Hindi ko alam na ganito kalaki yung serving. Wait lang, pipicture ako Sarap na food. Sarap. Or hindi punta yung camera ko. Nilalapitan talaga ako ng fries.
Sayang yun. Dapat pala dinala mo dito. Pinainit mo na yan. Sandamakmak yung french fries na iwan na.
I'd like to taste this.
Wala. Yung unan pwede bang iuwi? Yung unan.
Saan sabi?
Tinatanong kita.
Dalhin mo na lang. Kung silver na ano yan.
No. Grabe. Baka pagtulog natin yun. Wala ng stiffness.
Walang stiffness, right?
No?
Ang ganda ng hotel na ito, tahimik.
Mm-hmm.
Requested for a silver nano pillow. So, hindi daw siya for sale. Kaya... Good morning! So, it's our first day officially here in Hanoi. And we are here at Pullman Hotel. Hindi siya located sa Old Quarter, pero malapit lang din naman siya sa Old Quarter. So, kasi iniisip namin baka maulan or something, kaya naghanap kami ng medyo mas malayo sa Old Quarter para kung pwedeng tumambay sa hotel. At least okay. Ayun. So, we're going to take our breakfast now. Tingnan natin yung breakfast ni Pullman. So, see you in a bit. So, their restaurant is located at the first level. 908.
Coffee.
Coffee, would you like double latte and normal coffee?
Cafe latte.
Latte, yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, ganda oh. I'm gonna check the food. Let's check the food. Hi. One Vietnamese omelette and one egg Benedict. Oops. Negotiation. Sticky rice. May Indian food po.
Small fresh juice. Diba?
Korean. Ang galing ng ano nila breakfast ah. Iba-iba. Fresh juice. Coconut, apple, orange, lime, passion fruit, and detox water. Hilig talaga nila sa apple, no? Kaya... detox apple and celery.
Ano? Dal. Potato chickpea curry. Ay?
Indian talaga agad. Indian tong asawa ko dun. No.
Napagpilitan lang ng curry. Tapos mamaya magkibimbap tayo.
Wala bang ano, tapsilog?
Wala sila dito. Ano to yun?
Vietnamese omelette. Ang masarap eggs benedict. And Indian food. Their soup. Cafe latte. And seafood. Sausage and steamed veggies. So,